Hi everyone, my name is Parag Pal and welcome back in the new video. In this video, I'm going to provide you this concrete mix Excel design spreadsheet as per IS code 10262-2019 and IS code 456-2000. This Excel sheet will definitely give you a detailed concrete mix required as per the standard and you can easily use for your day-to-day construction practice. Here you can see I have shown this value, right? So this will automatically generate mixed design based upon your input database, right? So before initiating this video, before explaining this sheet, I would like to ask you to please subscribe my YouTube channel Parag Pal, and at the end of the video I'll let you know from where you can download this Excel file. Okay, so let's get started. Let's put the project name as a XYZ construction. Okay, the client owner is you can say Parag, right? The contractor name is you can say mm, ABC contractor. Okay, right? Now from here you need to work. So what is your grade? For what particular grade you are looking for your concrete mix design? I am looking for M20 grade of concrete. So you can see enter the grade like M20, M20. I have also given the some codification over here. You can mention M30, so I'll give M30 here. Now you need to type what kind of cement you want. I want ordinary Portland cement OPC 43 grade. What is the maximum nominal size of the aggregate you have? Okay, typically it range from 10 mm to 40 mm. I am giving 25 mm over here. What is the minimum cement content? Like as per the table 5 of IS 456, it depend upon the exposure condition. I am giving 300 kilogram per meter cube. Okay. Now what is the maximum water cement ratio that you are looking for? I am looking for 0.5. This is totally coming from the IS code 456 table number 5. Now, what is your workability required? What is the slump you are looking for? I am looking for 110 mm slump. Okay. What is your exposure condition? Okay, let me just reduce to the 90 mm. Yeah, 110. That is good one. What is the exposure condition? 4 5. I am looking for the moderate, severe, very severe, and extreme. I am looking for the moderate condition. What is the method of concrete placing? Are you placing by manual, pumping, or a trim pie mixture? I am doing by manual. Okay. Now, what is the degree of site control? Is it good or is it fair? It is good. What is the type of aggregate you have? Crushed aggregate or rounded aggregate? I have crushed angular aggregates. What is your chemical admixture? I have a super plasticizer. And what is the maximum cement content of the as per clause IS 456 clause of 8.2.4.2? It is 450 kg per meter cube that I have. So based on that, you need to give some database here. Like, what is the specific gravity of cement? I have given 3.15. What is the specific gravity of Ca? It means your aggregates that you have to mention here. Okay, your water absorption and the surface moisture, right? Similarly, you need to do for the fine aggregate. This is for the coarse aggregate. This is for the fine aggregate I have mentioned, and I am defining what is a zone class as per the table 9 of IS 383 for the fine aggregate. Similarly, for the admixtures, you have to mention here your specific gravity, your recommendation of dosage, and water reduction. Now, characteristic compression strength, this is derived from my this input. So whatever you have given here, M30, it will become here. Okay. So based on this, it will verify what is the standard deviation, and then they will give you the target average compression strength, which is FCK. Okay. FCK into 1 plus 1.65 s, right? So based on this classification, okay, you will get the mix ratio of 1 is to 1.87 is to 3 is to 3. Now let me just change this to M from M30 to M40, and you can see it will change to 1.87 is to 3 is to 3, right? See, this has been changed. Now to work on this more precisely, you need to give some database. Okay, such as what is the adopted cement you have. Okay, are you using the cement which is, and this should be more than or equals to B18. So if you just go to the B18 over here, this should be more than equivalent to this. So if I'm just add, okay, this as a 400, so you can see there will be the functionation will appear and you will get the proper mix design of the one part of the fine aggregate, 1.72 for the coarse aggregate, and 3.3, okay, sorry, one bag of cement, 1.72 by the fine aggregate, and 3.03 of the coarse aggregate per the mass, and this is your water cement ratio. So in this particular way you can also get the quantity of the material which is used. So for this mixed material you will be required one bag of cement, 86.04 kg of the fine aggregate, coarse aggregate of the 151, water of 20.93 liter, and admixture 0.50. So this is a particular way to do a proper mix design for your construction. If you want this Excel sheet, you need to visit my website, okay, and you need to go to the download section, or you can also click the link in the description box to download this Excel sheet. Okay, I hope you like this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.